Hello, how to solve this nice math problem? Square root of 12 divided by 9 plus square root of 108. Solution. Here we have square root of 12 can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by 3 divided by 9 plus square root of 108 can be written as square root of 36 multiplied by 3. Now take note of this, that if you have square root of a, b, this is equal to square root of a multiplied by square root of b. If you have square root of xy, this is equal to square root of s multiplied by square root of y. Therefore, this can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 3 divided by 9 plus square root of 36 multiplied by square root of 3. Then this is equal to square root of 4, that is 2, multiplied by square root of 3, that is square root of 3, divided by 9 plus square root of 36, that is 6, multiplied by square root of 3, that is square root of 3. Then this can be rewritten as square root of, we have 2 root 3 divided by, this is 6 root 3 plus 9. Then this is equal to, we can now rationalize this by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this denominator. That is, we have square root of 2 root 3 multiplied by 6 root 3 minus 9 divided by 6 root 3 plus 9 multiplied by 6 root 3 minus 9. Then equal to 2 times 6, that is 12. Then root 3 times root 3, we have 3. 12 multiplied by 3, then minus 2 root 3 times 9, that is 18 root 3, then we have the square root, divided by this, the denominator is in the form of a plus b bracket a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Then this is 6 root 3 all square minus 9 square. Then this is equal to, we have square root of, here 3 is common, we can bring it out, 3 bracket 12 minus 6 root 3 divided by, the denominator will be what? 36 multiplied by 3 minus 9 square, that is 81. Then this is equal to 3 bracket 12 minus 6 root 3, then we have the square root here, divided by, here 3 is common, we have 3 bracket 36 minus 27. This 3 will cancel this 3. This is equal to square root of, the numerator is 12 minus 6 root 3 divided by 36 minus 27, this is 9. Then this is equal to square root of 1 divided by 9 bracket 12 minus 6 root 3. Then this is equal to square root of 1 divided by 9 multiplied by square root of 12 minus 6 root 3. Then this is equal to 1 divided by 3 multiplied by square root of 12 minus 6 root 3. Then this is equal to 1 divided by 3 multiplied by the square root of 12 can be written as 9 plus 3 multiplied by 6 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3, then root 3. This is equal to 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 9 can be written as 3 square, then plus this can be written as root 3 all square minus 2 multiplied by 3 root 3. Now, if you look at this, the whole of this is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is equal to a minus b all square. And from here, a is equal to 3, then b is equal to square root of 3. Then this is equal to 1 divided by 3 multiplied by square root of, here we have 3 minus square root of 3 all square. This will cancel this. Then this is equal to 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 3 minus root 3. Then equal to 3 divided by 3 minus square root of 3 divided by 3. Then this will cancel this, equal to 1 minus square root of 3 divided by 3, and this is the final answer. Therefore, square root of 12 divided by 9 plus square root of 108 is equal to 1 minus square root of 3 divided by 3. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.